Based in Saskatoon, Canada, general contractor Contech provides a wide range of construction and infrastructure upgrade projects for developers and public sector clients throughout Saskatchewan, Alberta, and Manitoba. One of the country's earliest adopters of ProEst estimating software, Contech used the solution to complement their traditional paper and pencil calculations. The objective was to consolidate project information and automate estimating processes that were both time-consuming and inaccurate. In 2014, Contech implemented the ProEst desktop solution, immediately streamlining their processes and increasing estimating accuracy. When ProEst moved to a web-based platform in 2015, Contech executives were eager to follow, recognizing the far-reaching impacts that cloud technology would have on their business. The benefits were immediate. With round-the-clock online access to project information and the flexibility of a web-based solution, pre-construction management tasks were simplified and estimating volume increased. When stay-at-home policies were put in place by the Canadian government in 2020, the ability to work remotely took on new meaning for Contech employees. Though physically distant, estimating and project management teams are still able to connect and collaborate on project estimates in the pipeline, ensuring that Contech productivity stays high and company revenue remains stable. As business restrictions lift and Canadian building projects resume, Contech foresees a sustained period of growth for the company, fully supported by the scalability of their ProEst software. According to Contech executives, company growth was always the goal and the driving force behind every phase of technology adoption. With ProEst Cloud firmly in place, the sky's the limit.